Gold is used as a hedge against inflation. Even Warren Buffett, one of the biggest gold haters, sold his interest in some banks and shifted to gold recently. But many are still arguing that the uncertain times could push the policymakers to make critical changes in government's fiscal policies, and gold is the most vulnerable. They say the Federal Reserve could engage in further monetary easing should economic conditions deteriorate further. The inevitable policy change to higher interest rates and higher taxes will dampen inflation potential, and that could cripple gold. That didn't happen. That has never happened. In almost every recession and economic depression we have been in, the monetary policies changed in the favor of stimulating economic activities. This year, the Fed is printing money to encourage people to spend, even if it means inflation. It has pulled interest rates down to zero and has announced it will keep it at a minimum of zero for the foreseeable future. What has this resulted to? Gold breaking $2,000 an ounce, which is the highest in gold's history. Does this mean gold tanks when interest rates are high then? A long-term review of the massive bull market in gold that occurred between the 1970s reveals that gold's run-up to its all-time price high of the 20th century happened right when interest rates were high and rapidly rising. So short-term interest rates, as reflected by one-year treasury bills, bottomed out at 3.5% in 1971. By 1980, that same interest rate had more than quadrupled, getting as high as 16%. In that same period, the price of gold mushroomed from $40 an ounce to $850 an ounce. In other words, when the interest rates are high, gold increases in value. When the interest rates are low, gold increases in value. Gold's increase in value is constant, and you may ask why. Because it is one of the very few commodities that does not expire. It does not corrode, it does not rust, and it's always been that way. Even 1,000 years from now, it'll be the same. We're not saying gold is bulletproof. We're saying that when it comes to storing the value of your investment, gold is as good as it gets. So, diversify. Re-examine your investments now that you know better and make sure you have gold, because it's the best defense against all economic downturns.
Are you just getting into metals and you want to learn more? Check out our gold and silver investment guide. It has all the information you need, all the questions answered, and a really good read for someone just starting out. If you want to learn about investing in gold and silver, click the link below.